Hello friends, welcome to garv&parv video. I am Garv. Today we are going to learn about a very exciting topic, bird migration. Do you know that some birds fly thousands of miles every year to find food and a better place to live? In this video, we will explore why birds migrate, and we will also discover some of the amazing birds that travel long distances to come to India. So get ready to spread your wings and join us on this fascinating journey into the world of bird migration. The first bird on our video is the Amur Falcon, which travels across 20,000 kilometers from Northeast Asia and Canada to Southern Africa and India for the reasons of breeding and feeding. Next bird on the list is the bar swallow, which travels across 6,000 kilometers from Europe and Central Asia to India and Southeast Asia for breeding and feeding. Third bird is bar-headed goose. This amazing bird covers a distance of 1,500 to 2,500 kilometers from Central Asia to India. They also migrate for breed and feed. Fourth bird is common crane. This bird travels 4,000 kilometers from Siberia and China to India and Southeast Asia. They migrate for wintering. Demoiselle crane travels for wintering from Mongolia and Central Asia to India and travels around 3,500 kilometers. Next bird is greater flamingo. This bird migrates from Mediterranean, Africa and West Asia to India for breeding and feeding. They cover approx 2,000 to 4,000 kilometers. Lesser whistling duck travels approx 1,500 to 3,500 kilometers from Southeast Asia to India. Its reason to migrate is breeding and feeding. Next bird on the list is pintail duck. It covers a distance of approx 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers for wintering. They migrate from Siberia and China to India. Next, we have the Siberian Rubythroat, which travels from Northern Asia to India for breeding and feeding and covers approx 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers. Our last bird for this video is steppe eagle. Steppe eagle migrates from Central Asia and Russia to India. It covers 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers for the reason of wintering. And that's it for this video on bird migration. We hope you found this information interesting. Let us know in the comments which bird you found the most fascinating. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.